In the previous video, we initialized this count property and used it to display the text using the directive xtext. So now over here, I've got these two buttons, increment and decrement. I've styled them using Tailwind CSS. Now what I want to do is on the click of these buttons, I want to change the value of this count property. Well, within Alpine Js, that is very easy. We can use x bind. In fact, we can use x on and then this click. And then at the click of this button, what I want is I want to increment that value. We can simply do count plus plus because remember this div has access to the state. Same way for this button, I'm going to have this click event again and I'm going to decrement the value. So now if we test it, we see that the increment button is working correctly. And if we click on the decrement, that is also working fine. So as we discussed in the last video, what Alpine does is it creates a local state. Now this div has a local state with the value of count, and all the elements within this div have access to this count property. So we can, at the click of this button, we can access this count property and manipulate it howsoever we want. And as soon as it is changed, the value is also reflected within this x text variable where we are displaying it. In fact, there is also a shorthand. Instead of using x on, we can simply do @click, and this would work the same way. So this is how you can make changes in Alpine JS at the click of a button.